Add a smear of vegetable fat onto the surface of some flower paste and press it firmly into the cavity. Use a fine-edged scraper held at a low angle to cut away the excess paste. Work from the middle towards the outside edge and then turn to skim away the rest of the paste. Use your finger to make sure the paste has not been pulled from the cavity and rub to smooth the back of the stamen centre. Insert a sharp point into each stamen head to check and make sure that they have not stuck to the mould. Once all are released, insert the scriber into the solid paste in the centre and lift to remove from the cavity. You can make 3 different sizes of stamen centre from this mould. Lay the stamen centre on some paper towel and use a flat bristle brush to apply some brown powder colour to the stamen heads. Turn to also colour the reverse. Lay the stamens onto a piece of soft foam. Press a ball tool into the centre of the paste and this will cut the stamens upward. Support the stamens until dry using a suitable container, for example a bottle lid. Cell formers are ideal for larger flower centres. If required, you can layer 2 sizes of the stamens to create a fuller flower centre. Once dried, position into the centre of some petals. For general hints and tips on using this range of moulds, refer to our How to Use CelShapes Moulds video. Freshly made and coloured paste will trim away easier in the CelShapes moulds. Colouring mixed in older pastes could cause the paste to become dry and tough. Adding too much colour could alternatively make the paste too sticky. Using a smear of vegetable fat on the surface of the paste as well as on your fingers will assist in the removal of the excess paste. Never pull the paste out of the mould by stretching. Use a sharp point to release and then gently peel, using the largest solid area as an anchor point. Powder colours can be added to the anther. Lay the stamens on top of a piece of paper towel so any dust which migrates will be caught on the paper. Be careful to just colour the anthers, leaving the filaments paler in colour. Roll the stamens between your fingers so the filaments gather. Use a loop made from a length of fine wire as a support. Carefully pass the stigma through the loop and once in place it will splay the stamens from the centre slightly so they look more realistic. Trim the excess paste from the base of the stamens where necessary. Set aside to dry in a hanging position.
This side of it.
Once dry, insert into the centre of a lily flower to make your edible cake decoration. When making a relief flower like this fuchsia, the stamens can be dried flat and the petals and calyx assembled with them.